I've been with the shits since I was about 10. I remember when I ain't had shit. These bitches didn't want me. Now I'm grinding how they all on me. These thoughts so phony. I used to be bony. I'm talking skelly. I still am bony, but I still got meat on me. And a nigga still won't try me. I gotta go around with that heat. Like John Cena, you don't wanna see me. These bitches used to act like they couldn't see me. Now these bitches for real really can't see me. I done did a whole lot of shit that made niggas wanna kill me. But if I told you what I did, I just know you won't believe me. I been through a whole lot of shit. A lot of niggas didn't survive in it. When you up in the field, you don't know when your time gon' end. When I pull up to your block, you better get the ducking and running, cause I'm a side. Said everybody that said I wasn't gon' be shit, that I ain't shit, that didn't believe in me. They said there's nothing in this world for me, but I don't believe that. I gotta keep my head up, I gotta grind hard like Tony Hawk in his prime beat. These niggas, they snakes, they remind me of Medusa in the movie. Down, I forgot what movie. But this ain't no movie. Hell no, life ain't a movie. But I pull up on your block, set off like a movie. Cook a nigga up like beef stew, you can call me Ratatouille. Do you know how I'm humming? Yeah, you know how I come, big shooter gon' come. Shootin' up, shoot up.